What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build again. Today, it's back to work on our dirt bike to street legal adventure bike build. And as you can see, she's not that far from running. So in this episode, we're going to start by getting this swing arm taken off so we can get that bolt taken care of and sent out and get something a little bit longer so that way it'll be secure on there. And then we're going to go ahead and get the throttle cable all hooked up and the clutch hooked up. Still waiting on that exhaust header, so unfortunately we're still not trying to fire this thing, but hopefully soon. So before we get started, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool again. And with all that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, it's a few days later. So yesterday, I went ahead and got that bolt dropped off so we can get that puppy taken care of for the swing arm. And today, we're gonna go ahead and get that clutch lever and cable all installed so that way we'll have a working clutch on this thing. The day's already getting late, and tomorrow this episode drops. So I've got a busy night ahead of me. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright guys, so surprise surprise, I bought the wrong cable. It's not long enough and it is not going to work. So, it sucks. We didn't really get much done this episode, but I got a surprise for you guys. I just found out that the exhaust header is out for delivery tomorrow. So, once we get that, that can only mean one thing. The next episode will be, will it run? Yep, you heard me right. We're gonna make this thing run next episode. We still got a bit to go, but I think we can figure this out. Get out of here, guys. Let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool. And be sure to turn on that post notification bell so you know once this episode drops when it gets running. So with all that being said, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace!